Person of interest held in connection with Salt Spring triple murder. Hi again and welcome. We'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A person of interest in the November 6th triple murder in Salt Spring, St. James, which tragically include 2 schoolboys among the victims, has been apprehended by the police. In a display of the Jamaica Constabulary Force fasted diligence and commitment alongside its enforcement partners, a breakthrough was made in pursuit of justice, the JCF said in a statement on Saturday. According to the police, on Friday between the hours of 3:30 p.m. and 8:30 p.m., a coordinated intelligence-led operation was effectively carried out in Barnet Town, St. James, culminating in the apprehension of the prime suspect in the shooting. This detailed operation was a joint effort between the Jamaica Constabulary Force and the Jamaica Defense Force, in which a guest house was targeted in Barnet Town, St. James. The joint security forces swiftly entered the premises, conducting an apprehensive search. The person of interest was found and detained. He is currently in custody, contributing to an ongoing investigation, the police said. The police also revealed that during the operation, a maintenance worker at the guest house was also detained, pending further investigation. Following the shooting, the police identified the victims as 7-year-old Justin Perry and 9-year-old Nicoleva Simit, both students, and Tavin Hale, otherwise called Bansel, aged 26 years old. All 3 victims were from Salt Spring. The 3 were shot and succumbed to their injuries when a gunman opened fire on a taxi they were in. The police believe that Hale was the intended target of the gunman. The police investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story plus more to come.